What's good with show, guys? The name's Bafo and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will be dealing with a Kia K2700. This is my daily. It's dead. Yes, last night when I got here, it was misfiring badly, misfiring so bad, but there was some symptoms before it misfired, so there was some symptoms before it misfired, and one of those was excessive black smoke at the tailpipe. Yes, there was excessive black smoke when I was accelerating, and I have oil in the intake. So one, it has excessive black smoke. Second, it has high blow by because it is spilling oil into the intake from the breather pipe. So today I'll be working on checking it out and figuring out what's happening. So I have all the injectors out, taking out all the injectors, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they are right here. So right now what I will be doing is hooking up a compression tester, so that we can read the compression of each cylinder. Getting around 300 psi to 500 psi to see whether the engine is healthy or we have low compression. If it's lower than 300 psi, then we definitely have a low compression, and that's why it was idle and rough. So I'm gonna hook up my compression tester. It's a little bit rough, guys, don't mind that. But it works, it works. Okay, let's hook up our compression gauge here. So thing here. So let's crank it. Let's see. So that was 7 times, and we're getting 270 psi. That's not enough to start a diesel engine. Let's go for piston number 2 compression test. And we're getting 250, 260. So what we're going to be doing after we're done, testing all the compression and writing them down. That's a dry compression test, by the way. We're going to be performing a wet compression test. So meaning we're going to be pouring some little bit of oil into the hose. That's where the injectors go in. We're going to pour oil into there so that if it's piston rings, the oil will create a seal, so that the air doesn't push down. It creates some sort of like a seal. If the compression rises after that, then we know that it's the piston rings that are fading. And if it doesn't rise, then we know that it could be the valves that are not sitting well, that are not closing well. Piston number 3 compression test. Let's go. We have 190 psi. Let's do it again. That's 190 psi on cylinder number 3. Yes, exactly 190 psi. So piston number 3 out. But before we roll that out, we're going to be pouring some oil in there, like I said. So let's move down to piston number 4. I'm just gonna write that down. 190. Oh yeah, it's even dropped to 170. So 170 psi it is. Compression cylinder number 4 compression test. Let's go. Yep, we have even lower reading right now, 160 psi, and also on cylinder number 4. So this is really severe. This is really bad. But let's see. This could call for an engine rebuild. Let's continue with the wet compression test, and let's see what it will say. This is our wet compression test, cylinder number 1. Let's get it. I don't even need to go all crazy about it, but we are having more than 300 psi. That's very much visible. My compression gauge measures up to 300 psi, but I know once it passes this 300 gauge mark, 300 psi mark on the diesel engine, we are good. So yeah, piston number 1, cylinder number 1 compression rose from 280 to almost 350. But compression test cylinder number 2, let's go. Yep, that is over 300, so we'd say like 320 psi. Yes, on cylinder number 2. So yeah, that was after I add some more oil. I'm going to be writing that down. We're moving up to cylinder number 3. Yep. So yeah, piston number 3 has moved from 160 to 200 psi. So yeah, 200 psi on cylinder number 3. Cylinder number 4, compression test. Let's go. Wet compression test. And immediately we do have over 300 psi. At first it was 160 psi, so yeah. That's it, guys. We definitely have fried piston rings for lunch. This car works every day, guys. You know, it's nothing that you can do. The car works every day, has been working every day. You know, skipped a few oil changes here and there, so that could be one of the reasons also why we're having fried rings, lack of maintenance and all of that. But yeah, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, comment below what you think. There's more of these videos coming up. Hope you all enjoyed, and peace out, guys. It's much easier when you pull, when you push. The head is out. The head is out. The pistons are clearly moving. They are not sealing. I don't know if that's that's a big move, eh? That's a huge move. Top is out. Expecting the top, we did not see any visible damage, but it tells us a story that the car was burning a lot of oil because there was a lot of carbon buildup here, you know, and it's not the diesel type of buildup, it's an oil type of buildup, you know, it's thick and it's oily. And then we checked our top gasket also, and yeah, it wasn't showing any signs of it sharing compression. You know, the compression wasn't getting into the water system or the oil jackets. But when we check the engine block, we do see signs of cylinder wear. I don't know if it will be visible here, but as you can see, there's like this markings here, so meaning the cylinders are worn out from here downwards. It doesn't match the diameter of here, so I don't know if that's visible, but that's yeah, it's visible to the camera, but it's there. And then on cylinder number 3 we had it's very bad here. It's bad because cylinder number 4, it's bad because we had a piston slap. You know, cylinders are very damaged, you know, so the car will need a re-sleeve. Also on cylinder 1 we do have some marks that could show that maybe our piston rings are broken. That's why we have this scoring here on the cylinder, as you can see. Yeah, the cylinder doesn't need to have these kind of marks. So yeah, the block needs to go to engineering for either a re-sleeve or a rebore. Yeah, boring it to a next size, which is like 20 thou. Yes, but we'll see what we can do. But I would like to keep this engine standard, so re-sleeving it is the best option so that I can reuse these pistons here. We also need to check if they are still in a good condition, and then yeah, that's it. If they are not broken or anything, then yeah, that's the story of the fried rings. We don't only have fried rings for lunch, but we have fried cylinder walls too. So yeah, it is what it is, guys.